Guys, welcome back to Thunder Crew. And yes, today Thunder Child won't be in the video for a while, so you guys will be hanging out with me. And yes, you can read in the description down that today we are making slime with just clay slime and lotion. You might be asking, isn't clay slime already like a slime? Well, yes, the answer is yes, because clay slime and slime is very different. Clay slime is usually like bricks. See, bricks when you kind of stretches it. Although it has a lot of poking sounds, it doesn't stretch much. Okay, as I was saying, yes, we were making slime with lotion and clay slime. So let's get into the video. Okay, this is the lotion I have. You don't need to be the same lotion as mine. Any type of lotion I think can, but I'm using this lotion for now. Let's add a bit of lotion inside. Let's get into it. Okay, so I added a bit of lotion due to I already added a lot of lotion just now for the for this slime. Anyways, do what I do. Just take the lotion and just like smooth it around all the corners so it gets a smooth texture around them. Second, get all the corners and stick it into the middle. If it doesn't stick much, just continue pushing them to the center and they'll start to stick. You can already hear the poking sounds. And also, yes, wait. Anyways, when you're done finish adding the lotion, be careful because you need a larger container as for this kind of slime that you just made, because when you add lotion it gets thicker. Like really, it gets thicker. It used to be like this half container. Now I need like this cover together and it turns this into like this. So yeah. Anyways, back to the slime. Remember, do not add too much lotion, because the more you add lotion, the stickier it gets. Like, see, it's getting sticky just because I added a little too much just now. Anyways, don't add as much as mine if yours is not as much as mine, because some clay slimes have different size. Anyways, remember to smack that like button and subscribe. Bye guys.